Hi, I'm Chef Gail Sokol and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're decorating. We're decorating a cake for spring. And this is my gorgeous 3-layer checkerboard cake, and it's covered with my sour cream buttercream, and I'm going to decorate it with my chocolate bird's nest. Huzzah, it's going to be beautiful. And afterwards, once we decorate, if you want to see what this looks like, check my checkerboard cake video out and you're going to see the awesomeness inside. All right, so I have melted some pink chocolate. You can buy this in the grocery store and some candy stores or kitchen supply stores. And I'm just going to write happy spring or whatever message you would like to get across. I'm going to do that first. This is going to be super simple. I just kept the outside cake sort of rough looking, and then I'm going to decorate the tops with little tiny bird's nests. You can do whatever you want. If you want to use this for a themed birthday cake or a wedding cake or a shower, whatever you want to do. So I am going to fill this with my melted chocolate. This is my pink melts. So it's not chocolate, but it's sort of like a flavored fat. And I'm going to write happy, and I put it in a parchment cone. If you want to put it in a Ziploc bag, like a Ziploc freezer bag, you can do that. Just make sure you don't cut your hole too big. And it's coming out the bottom, so I did expect that. I'm going to fill this up and just write happy spring. Okay. I just want to get a little more in there. And this is not hot because I don't want it to melt down my beautiful sour cream buttercream, and my cake is chilled. Just make sure that you do chill it before. And I'm going to roll down the sides of my parchment cone. I'm going to test it to see how it comes out. It's coming out real nice, real fast, so be careful. You're going to be doing this like you're writing on a piece of paper, and I'm going to write happy spring sort of in the middle. Right? Because we want to leave room for our bird's nests. Happy spring. You could write happy Easter. You could write whatever message you want. Just make sure it's springy. All right? So happy spring. And I'm just going to be real casual and go real slow. All right? I sort of like to give my G's and my Y's a flourish. So I'll just show you what that looks like. Pretty, right? And then we're done with that. Now, I may use a little bit of the pink to help because my frosting is firm. If your frosting was not as firm, you wouldn't have to. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take some excess icing, and I'm going to go like this, because I think it's going to work out better, because I don't want to see the pink color underneath. So I'm going to take some bird's nests. All right, I'll take a nice one right here. Woo! Oh my gosh, okay. They're very delicate, people. So just know that. So you know what I'm going to do? Just brush a little on. They're very delicate. And I'm just going to nestle it in. It's okay. Bird's nests are very delicate. So I doubt that egg will hatch. Ha ha. Very funny. So I'm just going to give it. Or what you can do is, I wanted to make sure that this frosting was firm. So I just wanted to get my frosting firm. If not, you can just sort of push it in gently. I just don't want to break those bird's nests. And it does happen. That's why you have backup. And if you're going to push anywhere, push on the egg itself. So I'm going to turn this around so you can see. Okay, see how pretty? It's just delicate and light. And if all these eggs hatched at once, we would have a ton of birds around, huh? And a ton of eggs. All right, and choose some different colors. These are speckled jelly beans and speckled chocolate that I found actually in the grocery store. So wherever you want to buy them, you can. You can get crazy and do jelly beans all over the place if you want. Whatever you want to do. But I'm just going to get a little delicate. Just get our bird's nest without breaking. And that just shows you how delicate bird's nests really are. Right? They really are delicate. I'm going to put one more. So we have 3, 6, maybe 8 total. So that if everybody gets one in their slice, that would be a bonus. Right? I like that. I always like to get whatever decoration there is in my slice. If not, I always say, oh, you know what? You can have my slice because I want one with a decoration. All right. And if the bird's nest breaks a little bit, that's okay. Isn't that lovely? Happy spring. Simple, delicate, just super easy. And you made all those. You didn't buy all those. You made them yourself. Check out the videos. Check them out and enjoy and watch for the slice of this beautiful checkerboard cake on the checkerboard video. Until next time, I hope you become a subscriber.